Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, the world's largest and most influential cryptocurrency. Right now, Bitcoin is trading around $110,000, and analysts highlight that it has recently turned a major resistance level into strong support. This is seen as a bullish indicator for the market. Still, we cannot ignore the fact that Bitcoin remains a highly volatile asset. And in recent weeks, we've seen several sharp sell-offs and liquidations that forced out over-leveraged traders. Looking ahead, experts believe Bitcoin's market capitalization could potentially reach $5 trillion if adoption and institutional investment continue to grow at the current pace. Such a milestone would not only push Bitcoin into mainstream finance, but also reshape how the world views digital assets as an alternative to traditional money and stores of value. However, this path will not be without obstacles, and it's important to understand both the opportunities and the risks. Globally, Bitcoin adoption is expanding faster than ever before. Spot ETFs in the United States and other markets have introduced unprecedented liquidity, attracting billions of dollars from institutions that previously stayed away from crypto. Large companies are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. Payment processors are exploring Bitcoin integration, and even some governments are beginning to discuss policies around using Bitcoin for trade, reserves, or investment strategies. This growing acceptance shows that Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative asset. It is steadily becoming a part of the global financial system. At the same time, market behavior shows that volatility is gradually compressing. Historically, whenever Bitcoin trades in a tighter range for an extended period, it often signals that a major breakout, either upward or downward, could be coming. This means traders and long-term investors should pay close attention in the weeks ahead. But alongside these opportunities, the risks cannot be overlooked. Regulatory uncertainty remains one of the biggest global challenges. Governments across different regions are still debating how to handle Bitcoin, and stricter regulations could impact trading and adoption in the future. Security threats are another concern, with hacking attempts, scams, and wallet breaches continuing to make headlines. And of course, Bitcoin's legendary price swings mean that sudden corrections are always possible. Beyond this, the ongoing debate around mining and energy consumption also plays a critical role in shaping the narrative and adoption of Bitcoin worldwide. Now, let's talk about the price outlook. If Bitcoin manages to hold support around the 116,000 to 117,000 range, the next resistance zone could push prices above $140,000 and potentially open the door for a new all-time high. On the other hand, if this support fails, we could see a correction bringing the price back down toward the 90,000 to 100,000 range. Long-term, the real drivers will be global adoption, institutional inflows, regulatory clarity, and technological innovations like scaling solutions and integration with mainstream finance. To sum it up, Bitcoin continues to stand at the center of global finance. It has grown from a niche digital experiment to an asset watched closely by governments, corporations, and everyday investors around the world. Whether you see it as digital gold, a revolutionary payment system, or simply a high-risk, high-reward investment, one thing is clear. Bitcoin is here to stay, and its journey is far from over. That's it for today's Bitcoin update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it, and comment below with the topics you'd like us to cover next. Make sure to subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.